I am back in the Midwest, and I am living for the weather, the people, and of course, all of the beautiful green trees. It's been a minute since I've been in Cleveland, and I'm excited to be back. But I'm really excited to meet my new winner, Anissa. She lives in downtown Cleveland and won a whopping $1 million on a scratcher, becoming the latest member of my $1 Million Club. There are my winners.
Hey.
Yes. Hi, honey. How are you?
Hi, David.
Good to see you.
How are you?
I'm doing fantastic. Hey, how are you?
Good.
Anissa and Brandy.
Yes.
You're my winner, aren't you?
Yes.
You are. Oh my gosh, how excited are you to be seeing me right now?
I am so excited.
How much money did you win?
$1 million.
Congratulations.
Thank you. My husband, he stopped and he bought a scratch ticket and he gave it to me. It was kind of like a gift.
Okay.
I actually scratched it and I overlooked the $1 million.
What do you mean? How do you
overlooked it. So he looks at the ticket and he goes, "Was you going to throw this ticket away?" And I said, yeah, why? And he goes, "This is a $1 million winner." So I looked at it and we was just ecstatic.
Oh my gosh, so you potentially almost threw away $1 million.
Yes. Yep.
Oh my gosh, that would have been just horrible.
Terrible, terrible, yes.
Wow. Well,
He always checked my tickets because that's something I did all the time.
You are in my $1 Million Club, and it's a very hard thing to get. You have to win the lottery.
Yes.
Where's your husband right now?
At work.
You're
Sometimes he
stepping
works
in,
at-
Brandy?
Yes, I am her sister-in-law. Her
Nice.
husband and my husband are brothers.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
Yes.
I love that. Tell me what kind of house we're looking for.
I really don't want to be in downtown Cleveland,
Okay.
ready for a little serenity,
Okay.
away from the city, maybe like a suburb.
Yeah.
Probably 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths.
Okay.
You know, I don't care if it needs a couple upgrades. I'm okay with that.
Like when you say upgrades, like...
Bathrooms, kitchen, I'm okay with that.
Love that.
Move-in ready would be good too.
You're easy.
I'm open.
How much money are you gonna give me?
Up to $200,000.
Is that even possible? $200,000 for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. How many square feet do you want?
1,500 to 2,500.
Well, this is gonna be a lot of fun. I honestly
Okay.
think you're kind of fooling me because I don't think anywhere in a suburb of any major city you're gonna find a house that large for that little of
We
money.
can do it.
You're kind of freaking me out. So I just met with Anissa and her sister-in-law, Brandy, and I'm so happy for them. They just seem to be so content and so excited about starting this new chapter in my $1 Million Club. I have to tell you, I'm very skeptical about her price range for what she wants. We are in a major city. Cleveland is not small, but the housing prices apparently are, according to Anissa. But I've got to check this out with Jody first. Hi. How you doing, honey bun?
Welcome to Cleveland.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Oh my gosh, it's so
Come on
cute
back and
around
let's talk
here.
about some houses.
Hi.
Hi, David.
It's so great to be here.
Oh, I'm so glad you came to Cleveland.
What makes Cleveland so special?
Well, I always say that Cleveland is a world-class city on a great lake with a small hometown feel. That's the affordability of Cleveland.
Wow.
You're going to find lots of choices and lots of
Fantastic.
neighborhoods to choose from,
That's
too.
fantastic. Show me some houses.
All right. So here's the first one that we have, and it is in the city of Parma.
So this is going to be a great option. It's got great
That's gonna
curb
be a
appeal.
wonderful option.
This is really nice, and it's big.
A little bit further out into the suburbs
Okay.
is North Olmsted.
It's very cute. A little more expensive. Is North Olmsted kind of like a more expensive neighborhood?
It is a little bit. It's 10 minutes to downtown Cleveland.
Still way under 200,000. I'm impressed. Like I'm getting even more impressed as we go along. Show me some more.
Here is another one in Cleveland itself.
How cute are
Still,
you?
yes, a little older style.
That's perfect. These are so fantastic. Thank you so much.
so glad I could help.
I still think there's a catch here.
No catch.
No catch.
But there's not a lot of them, so they'll need to make a decision quickly.
Thank you so much.
Happy house hunting.
Thank you. You know, Jody did not disappoint. These housing prices are ridiculous. To me, this is a beautiful place. There's gorgeous architecture. The landscaping is wonderful. There's parks everywhere. People are enjoying their life. I don't understand why it's so inexpensive here, but I'm not going to even question it because $200,000 is going to buy Anissa a really beautiful home. Anissa currently lives in more of the downtown region of Cleveland, and she's ready for the burbs. So I'm taking her to a really fabulous town called Parma, and I'm showing her this adorable cottage, which I am obsessed with. Cleveland Cottage is a big, beautiful Tudor-style house that's got so much character and so much charm. Does need a little work, but we're coming well under their $200,000 budget, and I know that she is going to be thrilled about that. Seriously, a over 2,000 square foot house that needs very little work for less than 200,000, I can't even take it. Welcome to Cleveland, everybody. Cuties, cuties, cuties.
Hey.
Dressed for looking at houses. Just a little outside of downtown in an area called Parma. And you like the house?
I do. It's cute.
It's cute, isn't it?
Very cute.
Good. All right, let me tell you a little bit about Cleveland Cottage.
Okay.
It's got 3 bedrooms and 1.5 baths.
Okay.
It's a large home for this age of a house at 2,233 square feet.
Cute.
And the price is fantastic. You are absolutely correct. You can get a house for less than $200,000 here in Cleveland, which I was blown away by. Price comes in at $149,900. You guys ready to check it out?
I'm ready. Kind of cottage-like.
Yeah, you can't get this anymore in new houses. All right, come on in, ladies.
Oh, I love it. It's beautiful. Look at the floors.
Yes.
Floors are gorgeous.
A lot of
Original.
windows.
Floors.
Original to the house, which is really nice, and tons of character.
A lot of light in here.
Older homes always seem to have gigantic dining rooms. I think it's because of the family dinners. This does not disappoint.
The built-ins are very nice.
Let's go check out the kitchen.
I like the white.
Do you think this needs a little renovation?
Definitely. New cabinets, definitely.
This is the one room in the house and the bathrooms as well that do need a little freshen up.
Little small.
Okay.
But since there is a dining room, doesn't have to be an eat-in kitchen.
Yeah.
I could work with this. But as we look on, a little bit bigger of a kitchen.
Okay, will do. I can
Good.
definitely handle
But
that.
I'm gonna keep this open.
Good. But we have 2 more floors upstairs to cover, so let's go do
Let's
that.
do it.
Come on into the master bedroom.
I like this with all the mirrors.
Hey, mirrors in a bedroom? I'm getting to know who you are. I know what you're about.
Matt was like that. Pretty big closet.
It's a big closet in a big room for an older home. You could easily fit a king-size bed in here and a
yeah.
lot more furniture.
I like it.
Yeah,
It's a good size, it really is.
And I know Anissa will make use of these 2 adorable guest rooms on this level. So here we have our one and only bathroom upstairs. It does need work.
Does need work.
And you said you're not afraid of it because your husband is super talented.
That's right.
Can you please find me a husband that's talented?
I'll work on that.
Please do. I need all the help I can get. Plus, if all that wasn't enough, there's an attic begging to be converted. So this would be a great space. You could turn this into a master suite. You could do a lot of things. You could
It's
turn
got
it
a lot
into...
of potential. Yeah.
All right, I'm sweating.
Yep.
Let's go downstairs and check
Yeah.
out the backyard. Oh, you're sweating too, honey. You Midwesterners are not used to the heat. So we have a 2-car garage right over here that's detached.
2 cars, good.
That's always nice.
And a
I like
nice,
it.
cute little plot of lawn.
Wow, that is really cute.
I love this.
You don't
Oh,
see
that's
that.
nice landscaping. I love that.
Now, what do you guys think of the property overall?
I liked it. I like the old details. It does need some updating.
Right.
I'm okay with that. The size, big, but I could go down some on
Okay.
the square footage. Would like to check out something closer to the burbs, maybe.
Okay, you really want to get in the burbs.
Yeah, I kind of want to hear crickets and all that.
And so for country, we're going to the burbs. Today, I'm taking them out to an area called North Olmsted. Rocky River Bungalow is an adorable house. Definitely needs a little upgrade here and there, but it's move-in ready and ready for them to settle in. I hear you like
Love
the
it here.
neighborhood.
Yes,
And why is that?
because I live
You
here.
live here. I know you do. So fantastic.
This is kind of what I meant when I said suburbs. I really like it out here.
Yeah, it's so quiet. What do you think of this cute little house?
It's nice.
So let me tell you a little bit about this adorable house.
Okay.
Rocky River Bungalow has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, 1,578 square feet, so much more manageable for you.
Bigger
Wow.
than mine.
And the price is fabulous at $168,000.
That's
That's
awesome.
Ready?
Yep, I'm
Should we
ready.
go- should we go make your sister-in-law jealous?
Let's go. Nice. I like it.
Yeah, it's good, right? Here we go. Come on in.
I like it.
Cute, right?
Cute. I like
It
the
is.
floors.
The floors are great. They're original.
Love it.
You're into it.
I'm into it.
And you can see they have a very large sectional here, which shows that big pieces of furniture can be in
Does this
here.
come with it?
I think we can work it out.
Ooh.
You got the money,
I like
honey.
it. I got the money, honey.
Yeah, you do. It's a smaller home, so let's go and check out the bedrooms. It does have first floor living.
Sure.
But the master is upstairs, but we'll show you that after. All right, here is the first of our guest bedrooms.
Good size room.
Good size room.
The master is technically upstairs, but if you did want that first floor living, this is the biggest bedroom down here.
I like it.
But the
Good
upstairs is
size room.
great, right?
It is. It is a good size room.
Love it. All right, let's continue. Full-size bathroom here.
It's a good size bathroom.
I like it. Little upgrading, not
Upgrade.
terrible.
Yeah. And you're
like
not
it.
afraid of upgrades, are you?
No, I'm not afraid.
Here's the second bedroom.
Nice little small room.
It's small, it's cute. The twin-size bed in here fits nicely.
I like it though. It's cute.
So unlike yesterday, this attic is finished.
Nice.
Adorable, right?
Love it.
And let's walk back over here. We have some closet storage here.
Oh.
And check out the redone full-size bathroom.
It's very nice.
Cute,
I love
isn't it?
Your own
Granite.
private bathroom up here. Don't have to share it with nobody.
No one wants to share bathrooms. When you're a millionaire, you should have your own private spaces.
I love it.
Let's go check out the kitchen.
Okay.
And just like yesterday, a huge dining area.
I love the dining room. I don't have a dining room here.
I like
You don't?
this.
I love
Yeah,
that.
this house is actually a pretty big size for around here.
Love that. What is not big is the kitchen. It's cute, but it's not huge. The great thing about a small kitchen is that you can do high-end everything, but you're still not gonna break your bank because it's
True.
not huge.
And I do like the little scene over the sink here. Nice window.
Well, let's go
See the
check it
backyard.
out there. Let's go
Check
see
it
it
out.
up close and personal. We have a great deck here, which is fantastic. Looks brand new.
I
Very
like
nice.
this.
Yeah. I love these big trees. I'm obsessed with them. I think they're absolutely stunning. And
Beautiful.
they must turn a beautiful color during the fall.
Oh, yes.
So she's already like pushing for this house, I can tell, right?
Yes, of course.
What can I do different for the house I'm going to show you tomorrow?
I like this, and I said I was up for projects,
Right.
but let's try one maybe a little more renovated.
Why not? Hey, you got millions of dollars.
I
Why
mean,
not?
let's just take a look.
So I have a fabulous place in Brook Park, nicely renovated. So I'm taking her over to a really fantastic house, Brook Park, that's been completely renovated, 0 projects, and the kitchen is beautiful. Hello, hello.
Hi,
You
how
guys
are
look
you?
adorable. I'm great. We're looking at houses for your dream forever home. How exciting.
I'm excited.
Good. Well, what do you think of this neighborhood?
I love it. I have family here too, so
No
it's
way.
okay. Yeah, for holiday parties, it's at least 50 of us.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
That's insane. So what do you think of the house?
So pretty. The lawn looks so nice.
Good,
I
good.
like it.
It is.
Manicured.
There's no projects. The
No
kitchen
projects?
is lovely and beautiful.
I
All high
can't
end.
wait to see it.
I love the attitude. Let me tell you a little bit about the house. Brook Park has 4 bedrooms and 2 baths. It's a really nice sized house at 1,808 square feet, so it's right in the middle of the first 2 houses.
Awesome.
Perfect.
That's perfect.
And the price is great at $158,000.
Wow.
Wow, that's nice for a 4-bedroom.
And completely renovated.
Wow.
Shall we take a
Yes,
peek?
we shall.
I feel like you could spruce up the landscaping and really make it your own.
Yeah.
Come on in, guys.
Ooh, I like the floor.
I know.
size.
I know. Go explore. I
That
know this is
a
your
I
thing.
like
big
it.
kitchen. The
Granite.
cabinets, very nice.
New appliances, new cabinets.
No projects.
Beautiful.
This is very nice. Very
Roomy.
nice. This
I
is
love
nice.
Good, good. High-end appliances. We got the granite countertops. We got really beautiful cabinetry. Everything's just pulled together really nicely. And here we have a really great family room. Couches, chairs, TV, open to the kitchen, which is modern-day living.
Great.
I
for
really
all
like it.
family.
I know dining rooms are really important to you. I would get a table that has several leaves, so you can expand it all the way out here because you have plenty of room
That's a
for
great
it.
idea.
Oh, yeah.
Very good.
Great.
That's, yes.
Good space.
So over here we have a full-size bathroom and a bedroom. There's one more bonus room here.
Wow.
Family room.
Extra whatever room.
I love it.
Isn't that great?
I like the openness. I
Yeah.
love this.
Good.
Yes.
Good. All
Very
right.
nice.
Let's head upstairs. Check out the other 2 bedrooms and a full-size bathroom. Come on up. So we have a unique situation here. We have 2 bedrooms. They're a Jack and Jill to the bathroom. Another project. Tear out everything and your whole upstairs could be a master.
It could.
Yeah,
It's a good idea.
it's a great idea. You know, the bathroom is cute,
Oh, it's new.
It's brand new.
brand
Everything's been
new.
redone. Yeah.
Even if we did do updates, this is still much more updated than any of the other houses we looked at.
Right. But the updates here are just because you want to,
Right.
not because you have to.
Yeah, I like that.
The other homes, you have to basically
Yeah.
do a renovation.
And that
here
makes a
there.
big difference.
It does. One last place to check out, and that's the backyard,
Okay.
which is a really nice size. Nice big backyard, right?
Oh,
It is.
yeah.
Definitely our biggest backyard that we've seen so far. Tons of space to do whatever you want.
I like it.
And you know, there's not a ton of privacy back here. You can absolutely put in tons of privacy
Oh my
bushes
gosh.
and trees and
That
really
would
make
be-
it your
We
own.
could really
Yes.
landscape this
Yeah.
place. I could see that.
You guys like the houses I showed you?
I do.
do.
Good. Do you want to see some more?
David, I think that I've seen enough.
Take all the time you need. And I
Okay.
know family is extremely important to you, so hang out with Brandy and, of course, your husband and really get where you really need to be and want to be for the rest of your life.
Okay.
Sound good?
Sounds
I'm gonna
good.
think on this.
Fantastic. You guys ready for this?
Ready?
Good. Let's get some refreshments.
Thank you.
The time has come for you to split with hundreds of thousands of dollars to buy you your dream home. You guys had fun?
We had fun.
I'm gonna
we had so
miss
much
it.
fun.
Oh, I'm
I
gonna
am.
miss you guys too. You guys are so cute. Let's talk about these houses. So we started off with Cleveland Cottage. What a big house that was.
It was really big.
It was.
What'd you love about it?
The wood floors, the fireplace.
Fireplace was so nice.
It was spacious.
The kitchen definitely needed some work. Thank goodness for your husband, because he could tackle any of that.
Yeah, he does that.
Yeah. Then we took a little venture over to Rocky River Bungalow. I know you love this house,
I do.
specifically for one reason.
There's some benefit to it. Be close to family.
Yeah.
Very cozy. I like the wood floors. I like the upstairs, the wood in the bedroom, private bathroom, loved it.
You know, the kitchen was probably the biggest project.
And that was the thing, it was small, hard to change around, no dishwasher.
That would be major work, yes.
So then Brook Park was
Completely redone.
projectless.
Yes.
Move-in
nice.
ready.
Big
Yeah.
kitchen, open space, beautiful floors, the extra family room downstairs, or
Yeah.
whatever you want.
Yep.
The biggest yard.
Yeah.
The houses was really close.
Yeah.
No privacy at all.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, I think I know which one I want.
Me too.
I do. The Rocky River Bungalow.
Yes, I love it.
I loved it. It was just so cozy. It felt like home as soon as I walked in.
That's a great house. And
Yeah.
the neighborhood, of course. Hello.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Loved it.
That's perfect.
Yeah.
beautiful.
Definitely have the best landscaping
Peace,
out of
quiet.
the three.
Yeah.
You'll
It's
love
very
it there.
fantastic.
You will. I love it there, so you will.
Good.
And David, thank you so much for finding me my dream home.
It has been
My
a lot of
pleasure.
fun.
Oh my
Thank
gosh.
you.
Well, let's cheers to plenty of money and let's go get you
Cheers.
this house.
Yeah,
Very
let's
exciting.
do it. David showed us some great houses, but the Rocky River Bungalow was listed at $168, so it needed a few things, kitchen being one. We ended up getting the house for $159. I really love it.
We see each other every day. Pretty soon, the whole family is going to be living on the street.
We're going down there for dinner, or they're coming here, or we're having, family get-togethers. The kitchen, we're gonna work on soon. Hopefully it's not a 2-3 year project, but everything else I'm completely in love with. The outside space is the most beautiful to me. How's the food, everybody?
Great.